Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best pressure washers on Amazon. If you want to take better care of your car's paint and ensure it stays as good looking as when it came out of the factory, going to the car wash is never a good idea. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Westinghouse Gas-Powered Car Pressure Washer. With this model, we are starting to get real serious. Westinghouse's gas-powered car pressure washer can reach up to 2700 psi at 2.3 GPM, making it more than capable of cleaning even the dirtiest mud-covered pickup truck, but also a wide range of other things, including concrete walls, garage doors, fences, driveways, etc. Moreover, it comes with a 1.6L detergent tank, so slightly smaller than the previous 2 models, that you can fill with soap to speed up the cleaning process. However, we strongly advise sticking with the white 40 degrees nozzle when cleaning your car using the maximum pressure might be a bit much for your car's paint. What we like about it: powerful, sturdy construction, comes with extra engine oil, large 3.3L fuel tank, better warranty than most. What we don't like about it: gas-powered car pressure washers tend to be noisy. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning Megashot Gas-Powered Car Pressure Washer. Simpson Cleaning's MSH3125 car pressure washer is one of the best models currently on the market, mostly thanks to its incredibly reliable Honda engine. No need to mention that Honda knows a thing or two when it comes to small engines, and this one is a prime example of that, providing excellent efficiency, power, and reliability. Thanks to Honda's GC190 187cc 6 HP engine, the MSH3125 can produce a maximum of 3200 psi, more than enough to clean everything you might have to clean around the house. And since it's gas-powered, you don't have to worry about carrying an inconvenient power cord behind you. What we like about it: efficient, powerful, and reliable Honda engine. Professional-grade model. Outstanding maximum pressure. Multi-purpose pressure washer. Very lightweight and easy to carry around. 2-year warranty on the engine, 1-year warranty on the pump. What we don't like about it: engine is rather noisy. Number 3. Karcher Electric Car Pressure Washer. This one is an interesting one. Despite being our budget pick and definitely an entry-level model, it's still manufactured by one of the best pressure washer manufacturers out there. Indeed, Karcher is a reputable German brand providing high-quality cleaning products, which was even once present in Formula 1, a testament to its dedication to delivering nothing but some of the best cleaning machines on the market. Karcher's electrically powered K1700 pressure washer shoots water up to 1700 psi, enough to wash most of the grime and dust. It's also very easy to use. You can turn the pressure washer on by pressing the on-off button located at the bottom using your foot, preventing back strain, which is a must if you are not getting any younger like me. What we like about it: reputable brand and German engineering. Solid 1700 psi maximum pressure. Large half-gallon detergent tank. Handy storage compartment for the hose. What we don't like about it: 20 feet hose might be limiting if you own a large truck or SUV. Use electric power, you'll need to carry the cord around. Number 4. Stanley Electric Car Pressure Washer. When it comes to reliable tools, Stanley needs no introduction, and its SHP2150 car pressure washer is a good example of that. It includes a high-pressure foamer, which is great for quickly applying soap before cleaning. The foam attachment hooks up to the end of the wand and can be filled with snow foam, a perfect solution to take care of the most stubborn dirt. Interestingly, while more entry-level car pressure washers can end up developing slight leaks after consistent use, not a big issue, but still annoying, the Stanley SHP2150 is designed with leak-proof connections to prevent just that. What we like about it: includes a foamer attachment. Versatile. Robust construction. Innovative leak-proof design. 4 included nozzles for cleaning and foaming any surface. Excellent maximum pressure. What we don't like about it: slightly smaller detergent tank than most. Number 5. Craftsman Electric Car Pressure Washer. If you are looking for the best all-arounder for personal use, look no further than the Craftsman CPW 1900. Its compact size makes it infinitely practical and quite easy to store in your garage. Furthermore, all the accessories you get with this package have onboard storage compartments, including the detergent tank. What we like about it: one of the cheapest pressure washers around. Compact and easy to store. Long power cable. Relatively long hose for an electric washer. Big wheels for better maneuverability on rough terrain. What we don't like about it: not for professional use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.